What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on the CBESS mini projector. I got this mini projector from Amazon. I will have a direct link in the description below. I'll also be making a full review in the near future, so be on the lookout for that. Having said that, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the box is pretty basic all around. There's nothing to see in any of the sides really. So at the top we do have a tab right over here. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. You'll also notice a handle, so you can go ahead and carry it pretty easily while it is inside the box. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and see what comes with this projector. So the first thing you see, I believe, is the projector itself. Let's go ahead and check it out real quick before we see what else comes with it. And here we are. We also get some paperwork, a user manual, and a couple other things over there. But here is the actual projector itself. It does come with a cap as well. So it is a decent size. It is pretty small, but not too small. I'll go ahead and show you guys a comparison with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it is quite larger than the phone, which is to be expected. I mean, it is a projector, not a phone. And first impressions of the look is that it's pretty simple, but it looks pretty nice also. So like I said before, I'm going to go ahead and test it out and then give you guys my full review once I have actually tested the product itself. It's hard to give an accurate representation of how large the projector is, but it's not very large at all. Go ahead and show you my hand compared to it. It's just a tad bigger, longer than my hand, and with my finger spread it out, it's not as wide. So there it is, and let's go ahead and see what else comes with this projector. We have some bubble wrap. Go ahead and move that to the side, and it looks like all we have is just one other box that comes with, I guess, the wires and whatever else comes with the projector. So we'll go ahead and open this right up, just like so. And yeah, here we have all the wires that you need to make this projector function. Here's a power cable. We have a screw there. Then see what other wires we have. And it looks like an HDMI cable. Yeah, so we got an HDMI cable there. And then what is this last one? And then we have a remote. So not too many things come with it. I guess just the necessities. So that basically sums up the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out, see how good it actually is, and if it's worth your money to go ahead and buy this. So stay tuned for that full review video. If this video was helpful in any way, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.